testing early morning Panasonic 14mm F2.5 recording on G7 without any stabilizer. 6 a.m. I just want to test the low light candy camera focus on me or not. Yeah, so the camera lose focus. Is the camera focus? Okay, now it's focused. You need to be the judge how good is the video quality and how good I'm looking. Yeah, again you need to be the judge how good is the video quality and how good I'm looking. I'm just trying to walk slowly. Candy camera focus on me or not? This is 40mm recording. Candy camera focus on me or not? So like this. What's up guys, it's me Jimmy. I want to show you something new. So yeah, what's up guys, it's me Jimmy. I hope that the camera can focus. Subscribe and bye.
ولا أقوى على نار الجحيم الله فهب لي